You probably just yawned reading the title of this video, didn't you? There is a bizarre evolutionary reason your brain forces you to copy the person next to you. It's a biological glitch called echophenomena, and it is deeply wired into your sense of empathy. Contagious yawning evolved as a primitive social bonding mechanism. It was nature's way of synchronizing sleep and alertness patterns within a group. If one rests, we all rest. So, if you catch a yawn from a friend, or even a turtle, it just means you're a highly empathetic team player. Try not to fall asleep before hitting that subscribe button for Unrushed Science.